Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Sitaram from Sparkling Memories. Today we're going to show you a different way of cooking turkey burgers. So we have the burgers already here laid out. Some of the things that we have in there, we have some red onions, some garlic, bacon, cheddar cheese. We also have some McCormick seasoning, some thyme. See a good shot, trying to get them a good size. We're going to add some parsley and rosemary. So we already have it right there. I'm going to turn up the oven a little bit more. I like mine's a little bit different. I know sometimes people say, oh, well, that might not work because it's not the same and might not give you the same taste. But it depends on you. Go ahead and grab one here so you can actually put into the pot. I have 2 burgers in here. Nice color, right? Get a little bit of the margarine and the crystal that's in there and spread it across that. Don't want to make it too dry. Do it a few more times. We have all the bubbling. So we leave a lot more room so they're not sticking together. I'm gonna give that some time to cook. See, it doesn't have the color as yet. We gotta make it a nice color before we actually put them. So we don't want to do too much cooking. We gotta let that cook. I've seen people make turkey burgers and they just put in the regular onion by putting some bell peppers, some garlic, simple stuff. I totally didn't get it. But today I want to keep it up a notch and I added my bacon. My bacon is actually maple and brown sugar. It was fried first and then placed into the burger. And here we're going to go ahead and flip it. The spatula all the way over and turn. Of the burgers, giving it a nice, juicy look. Making sure you don't have your items get dry on you. Get all the juices on the top, not just on the bottom or around the sides. See the color on there? The combination of stuff you have in there. And then to have it on a nice low fire, so it'll be too hot. So you don't want to be getting your food burnt. You want to make sure that it's getting these liquids, because when it comes to poultry, it needs a little bit more care than if you was doing something else, especially with turkey. Turkey needs a lot more flavoring because if you have it by itself, it will be very bland. So that's why I incorporated the bacon. The bacon is maple, and I added some brown sugar. I fried that first, and then I put it in with a mixture for the turkey. Use regular ground turkey. I added in some shredded cheddar cheese, red onions, some breading with Parmesan cheese. Let that cook for a little while. Now that it has this color, you turn it up a little bit more and let that cook before we add our cheese that goes on the top. provolone cheese. Once again, this is Mississippi Run from Sparkling Memories. And here we have the finished product. We have the turkey burgers with the provolone cheese on top. Made a few of them. Some caramelized onions and all that good stuff on there. Also has a nice bacon.